Hello, it's Garemore. Today I got my isolation DC to DC converter, my B0505S1W is the part number. This is also an update on my Bluetooth speaker. Well, this is not Shannon, as you can clearly see. This is just a test setup that I made. It uses all the same components that my smart speaker will use. I'll do a demo of this. There's still noise from the preamp and amplifier sections. It gets pretty loud. Everything seems to be working fine. This here. Let me get a light. This right here, that black box, is the DC to DC converter. And that's the audio switching section. And the button section and the preamp section. I also added two 10K resistors between the negative and the audio section for the Bluetooth module, the audio output of the Bluetooth chip, which is this blue thing here. That's it. That's how you remove most noise in a Bluetooth speaker module. Not module. A Bluetooth speaker project. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and support me by buying from my eBay and Mercari stores. Both links are in the description. Goodbye.